Good evening, friends. Well, I'm here again today in order to let you know how to remain positive in negative situations. See, you must have heard from the people that there are two kind of minds. One is conscious, one is subconscious. Subconscious mind is just like a sponge which absorbs all the information which is given by the conscious mind, right? So what you have to do is, in order to remain positive, your subconscious mind is active while you go to bed, when you go to bed at night, that time, and of course early in the morning. So for your subconscious mind, what you have to do is, you have to reset your mind by thinking, or by giving input of all the positive things in it. So that's what you have to do. And how you will put the input? You have to tell your mind that everything is fine, all is well, you are attracting health, wealth and prosperity. Nothing, no problem is going to distract you. You are the winner. Victory will be yours. All this good information you have to inculcate in your mind while sleeping. Before you go to bed, you have to give input of all this information, and then your brain will process. And then over the period of time, when you practice this method, you will expertise into it, and then you will remain positive in a negative situation, as well as you have conditioned the mind. For example, like the child of an elephant, they are very powerful animal, but their brain is conditioned in such a manner that their mind is made in such a way that they cannot break the rope of their legs which is being tied up, though they can do anything. So similarly, our brain is like that, our mind is like that. Whatever inputs you put in, first of all, try to do little bit of meditation in a day, little bit of meditation, and try to reset your brain by putting all the positive inputs, and do this work during the activation. When your subconscious mind is active, you do this that time, and try and practice this, and then you let me know. Friends, if you like my videos, please do not forget to give me your feedbacks. See, I am also trying to do the same. I am practicing the same, and I want all my brothers and sisters, friends, that they should do the same manner and lead their life happily, and they should be very much prosper. Thank you. We'll come back again with more information. Till then, good night, take care, bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you.